taken. Let's go and check it out.
Washing machine.
Further than I could.
They just made up on
At a price just deep for me to handle.
this. We are going to launch the tender and check out that sand dune. Try and climb up it and slide down it.
I cut it on the anchor. Really hurt. Cha-cha!
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
So we just met a couple off another yacht and they've showed us where this fresh water is and they're doing the washing. What a beautiful bay. We're in debate whether it's called Rescue or Refuge. We'll have to look the book up when we get back.
I can hear Dad screaming.
You can hear Dad screaming. What's he screaming, Sienna?
Babe!
What's Dad's favourite word?
Babe!
1 in a million. 1 in a million. 1 in
How
a
steep that
million.
hill is.
1 in a million. 1 in a million. 1 in a
Okay, we clearly have got the wrong device for maximising speed down a sand dune.
Sand in face.
What's the water like, guys?
It's beautiful and cool.
And look, it's crystal clear.
Today, it's Halloween, so we met 2 people on boats and we thought we should make them some Halloween baggies. So now we've got 8 bags, including my mum's because I ripped one and we didn't want to waste. And also my mum loves candies even though she tries to be healthy.
Has this been the best maths lesson you've ever had?
Yes, because I love candy.
Part of the realities of living a sailing life is needing to have some communication, and so I'm walking to the top of the hill to hopefully get some 4G signal. Some people on a neighbouring boat have joined Sienna and Cheryl with a boogie board and they're sliding down the sandy hill.
Are we in Dolphin Bay? Yep. Which is on the south-west side of Middle Percy Island. Perfect anchorage.
Let's see what those toys are.
Yeah. Look, friends of the Percys. When you come into a bay like this, in the ocean, it looks much smaller than it really is. Plenty of room.
This must mean there's good signal here. Tried to call a couple of people. There's lightning in the distance. I'm on top of a hill. It's not the smart electrical sense to be here any longer.
Mike was up the top of the hill checking his emails and the lightning came. There's kids on this monohull, a boy and a girl. We'll have to go meet them properly later when it stops raining. So we're anchored at Dolphin Bay on the southwest side of Percy, Middle Percy, and there was a wind change last night, so this has been the perfect northwesterly anchorage.
We've just upped anchor in roughly 20 knots of wind. The wind's coming from where?
It's 27.
27 now.
It's from the south. It's dead south at the moment.
Now when Cheryl came up just over here to stand up to look at what I was doing, the hat that I hate so much blew off into the water, and I thought, thank goodness, because now she has to wear a decent hat, and then she pulled this monstrosity out. So, just leaving our home for the past couple of days.
Washing machine!
Okay, so we're at South Percy. I'm walking up I've been told to walk up this creek bed in search of signal. So here I'm going. It's a bit like a lunar landscape here. You know what, if I was looking at my phone screen, there's a drop there of 200 metres and it'd be minced meat.
Sienna, what have we found?
A shipwreck.
This is a shipwreck.
Where's the anchor?
I gotta hit the beat.
Mike said we're not leaving till 6, but I was up at 4:30 and it was light then. So
pots and pans and dishes.
that's right. Get my crew moving. We've got to get to Hexamala before the wind picks up to 15 to 25 knots southeasterly. At this rate, hopefully we'll be there before 8 a.m.
East Percy, Middle Percy, South Percy. And a really, really, really nice part of the world. Well, here we are at Hexham Island. We're in a bay that's really well protected from strong southeasterlies. So we are the only people here, so I don't need to put my little finger out to show you where we are. Maybe some pagan ritual. Cactus on Hexham Island.
We've got 4G. We've got 3 bars of 4G. Sienna is downloading a movie from Disney so that she's got something to watch later. I'm checking my email, sending a few messages, trying to call Janelle. Janelle, I'm trying to call you. So there's the tide catching up with the dinghy. We've got to get down there. So we've made it back before the water reaches the dinghy.
Tell me what's happening down there.
Sienna's helping me cook.
These smell amazing.
It's lovely to see mother and daughter. Mother teaching daughter how to cook, and daughter being such a willing student. Any big smile and thumbs up, girls?
Sienna's doing some sewing in preparation for Mike's birthday on Sunday. This is her nana's old sewing machine. That's not old at all, really. It's a good sewing machine.
We are now stuck at Hexham. In the past 36 hours, we've only seen one vessel go past in the distance, and that was a Navy boat. So that tells you something about the sea state that we're currently in. But we're tucked in a little bay, got some protection from what direction wind?
Southeasterly.
Southeasterly.
15 to 25 knots.
We'll be here for 5 odd days, maybe.
Yep.
Is whether we have enough water. Today's been a day where I've climbed to the top. I've sent some urgent emails, got the weather forecast. Cheryl and Sienna have stayed on the boat. They've made me a birthday. It's my birthday, November 6th world. Send messages of goodwill to me, please. Hang on, here she comes.
Sewing.
And I've already got my birthday present 2 days early, which
He's going to get more.
which is a large pencil case. And of course, it'll hold
I
special
made it.
place for me as the
You
recipient.
can put stuff in here. It's a flatback.
Mike's just spotted this turtle coming down from the beach, a flatback turtle. She's just laid her eggs.
Okay guys, this is what happens when you get a bit boat crazy, when you can't get off the boat. Girls are doing acrobatic. What's it called? Acro yoga. And you can see the water's a little bit choppy out there.